Guys, guess what? You wouldn't believe where we ended up back at by accident. Well, actually, I don't believe anything happens by accident. But we ended back up at the local crack den. We got Casper, and we got pretty cool skull right here in Casper. I'm surprised how well the artwork has stayed. It's like someone has the local crack den. You already know what it is. I don't know if that is new or if that was been there. I don't remember it being there last time. But I'm surprised how well the artwork has stayed through all the rains and stuff. Stayed over Duke, for sure. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can even hear me. This is the echo in here, so I don't know. Whee! Watch out. Yeah. You don't know what we might find in the local crack den. Pennywise might be in here. He might have picked his new home. Might have picked his new home to be in here. Oh, what do we got here? Evidence. Some, none of my business really, but some blue spray paint. Be kind. Not too kind though. We all know where that leads you. Holy! We got a damn couch in here. Pennywise has been living in here. What do you know? Did you hear that? Come on, Pennywise, come out. Fight me. You don't want to fight. You know I'll win. You gotta climb the ladder. We got a hot diggity damn couch in here. Hot diggity dog. How are we supposed to... How the hell did they get a couch in here, guys? That's my question. Guys and gals. I don't know, I just say guys. You know, I don't discriminate. Guys and gals alike. Looks like, Peter Parker has been here also. Stuck to me. Damn it. Getting caught in the web. Just need some water. Yeah, it's pretty much... The mattress that was here is gone. Now there's a couch in here. So obviously, Pennywise, I guess, has been watching the wall. Just been staring at the wall. So, yeah. Subscribe if you enjoyed. Comment. I want to know what y'all think, what kind of content we can make. Y'all have any ideas? I'm down for thoughts and ideas. Any thoughts or ideas or feedback is always appreciated. Constructive criticism too. I have to figure out how not to. Yes, sir. No, this is crazy. I didn't even know. I just picked a random park on the map and it happened to take me here. And I was like, oh shoot, wait, this is a local crack den I went to like 2 years ago. Gotta reverse, go back. This is a short tunnel, but it's just the size of it. And I like the graffiti in here. You know, it's cool graffiti. But the tunnels in California are creepy though. Like the Gator Road tunnels people live in, those are probably like, can't imagine huge tunnels. Back to the light, guys. Oh, we made it. Pennywise did not get us. Did not attack us. It's not here yet. It's not in there now. Well, see y'all in the next one.